Today we're cutting a little tray just out of some scrap oak that we found. This is one that we cut earlier just out of some acacia. Version 1, I guess you'd call it. This is version 2 over here. Version 1, we made a mistake when we were camming it, and the outside edge is a bit smaller than this edge over here. We're pretty much ready to cut, so it's 10,000 RPM, 60 inches per minute, I believe, 30 inches per minute depth.
Plunge,
rate.
And we're running a single flute, like a upcut single flute, just because that's what we have on hand. So we've already homed our workpiece, and Daniel's just gonna send it back to home. So we're gonna send it to home, XY first, and then Z.
Well, I'm not gonna send it to Z because Carbide does that stupid thing where it like.
Oh yeah, Carbide's dumb, so we're not gonna send it to Z.
We're not gonna do that. So start the spindle, and we'll hit play.
Yeah, make sure it's safety glasses. Okay, we're back. We fixed the step over issue in Carbide, re-uploaded. So we're gonna run it, but first we're gonna turn on the spindle. All right. Daniel, you have your safety squints on?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Never go to work without them.
So
yeah, it's not gonna do anything now, but.
No, it's just that when we place our camera on this, then it kind of like rattles.
It's still making
That's fine because it on the first pass it didn't line up probably. So should be okay.
Maybe because because kind of with the grain. No, but on this, no, this one didn't really get square.
Rubbing on both sides.
Maybe I should clear those two out.
I just do one cut. One cut.
Well, let's see how badly it rubbed.
Alright, and that is our little tray. Very nice. Okay, so let's get on our safety squints, head over to the bandsaw, and cut it out. Okay, so Daniel's equipped with his safety squints. We're using the metal bandsaw because that's what we have in the shop. And Daniel's trying to plug it in, or turn it on, but it's not plugged in. So we'll see how long that takes for him to figure out.
It is plugged in though. Oh, it's just. Well, there we go.
All right, let's see how long this takes for him to figure out.
Oh, it's locked down. Alex. Other Alex. Yeah, what's up? Mentor Alex, can you unlock the bandsaw, please? What? The bandsaw. Oh, do you need the lock to? Oh, yeah, Alex.
Oh, okay, Alex is gonna pick this. Alright, let's get this. Alright. I had trouble with this one. I was able to do the lathe today.
Oh, the lathe is the same lock.
No, they're different.
But they're the same.
No, but they're The lathe is easier to do. But yeah, I was able to do it today.
Top quality entertainment right here.
Yes.
Sounds so bad.
So
This is picking that lock illegally. We're gonna take a look at our little tray here.
So it tore out there, and I have a feeling those tear-outs took place the first time that we did it. But even then, like you can see on the grain here,
Yeah.
it's still.
We're also using an upcut bit,
yeah,
like an
and they
O
want-
flute 1/4 inch. So
It's meant for aluminum, so
it will work, but it doesn't provide the best surface finish, especially on a wood like this.
I mean, on the edges, it's pretty good. No complaints there. Okay, we're gonna cut this out then.
Yeah, as you can see, we like using metal tools for wood. Apparently, that's what we do here.
Yep.
So we're gonna head
Also
over
for
to
plastic.
Yeah, but that's fine. So
Yeah,
we're gonna head over
we like
to
to do
the
funny things like this for absolutely no reason.
yes, resawing 1/8 inch of HDP. Anyways, we're gonna head over to wood shop and use the router table to flush trim this. So let's head over. So Daniel's trying to find the flush trim.
It's this bigger flush trim, I think.
You can use the 1/8 inch.
Yep.
Yeah, let me just.
That's neat. There's the wood.
Okay.
Oh, is this still stuck in here?
No. This is not his first time changing the router bit. I just want to make that right there.
No, it was stuck last time. Yeah, it's the same bit.
So you always want this on and spinning really fast when you're
Changing.
changing your shaper. And we're always gonna put our tools back. Yep, it goes there. Perfect. Yeah, leave it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Now, if you're a little bit more skilled, you can just hold one wrench and turn it on. Self-tighten. Okay, so we tried flush cutting, but the bit is only like 1/4 inch in diameter. So you're trying to you're going over that halfway point and then it's gonna shoot back.
Yeah.
Plus that's a lot of material to remove. We can get it a lot closer, like you can practically just run it right to the thing.
I'm gonna start. This one, he actually did a pretty good job.
Okay, so you can see the difference between this one that we're cutting here and the stock on the side. That's a lot more. This one's got barely any, so that's gonna make it a lot easier when we're flush trimming. You can probably even take off a little more.
lot better now. What are they doing? Nice, good stuff.
Alright, we're gonna put a little round over just on the bottom, I think. Just to give it like a nicer finished edge. We're gonna sand up all the burns because we went a bit slow while trimming it. And then we're gonna sand it up and finish it. We just got some plywood here to see what our shape is gonna look like, and if we change it.
Pretty good.